First, I spelt this wrong. Need to fix that because okay. So if enemy is equal to none, then what we can do is we can continue so that we go down to the next enemy. The next thing that we want to happen. That's all for now. Let's take a test at the game now. Okay, load in. Ooh, okay, we destroy the first. Now there's two. We gotta destroy both of these. Okay, we destroyed both. Now there's 3, 4. Oh, 5. Okay, let's see what happens when they actually get our tower. Ooh, okay, they destroyed us because they were able to actually hit us multiple times. So, first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that we destroy that enemy. So, what we're gonna do is enemies dot remove enemy, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do enemy is equal to none, and then we'll do this after, and then if enemy is equal to none, then we'll just continue here. It's basically like a debounce to make sure one enemy can't hit twice. Okay, and now we're also having an issue where our pie game is not actually closing here because it's still running this update every time. So while running, well, we set our running defaults here, so I'm not sure why. Maybe it's local. Running is not accessed pylons. Oh, it's because it's inside of a function, so we actually have to pass in running when we call it. And I believe this should work. What we'll do is every time he takes damage, we will do print f tower health, tower.health, and this should be it. Okay, we destroyed the first, destroyed the second wave. Alright, let's see what happens if one hits. Alright, they did 10 damage. Okay, they did 20. Not looking good for me. It gets exponentially harder. Not exponentially, linearly harder. And game over. So, as we can see, there's that. One change that I want to make is to simply do, instead of passing in running here, what we're going to do is tower health is less than or equal to 0. We'll return true, or we'll return false. Else, we're going to return true. Okay, and then at our update, what we can say is our running is equal to update. You don't have to pass in anything. And let's just watch. If if the tower loses all of its health, the game will end, which is what we want. Okay, well, Well, there's no tower health at the moment, I suppose, so. Uh, well, that's an issue. It's just exiting. Let's see. Running equals false. Am I what am I doing? I didn't return this after, but why is this? Oh, because half the time this is not going to happen. So if we do make it past here, then we'll return true, and we'll return true. Because there. So now if I let the base get destroyed, we will find out that well, only one's coming in at a time now. That's weird. I made too many changes at once. That's the issue. Oh, it's because I'm returning um too often. So yeah, see, I can't tower dot for each enemy. Yeah, so I can't return here. I can return at the end of it. And we're getting to the 1 hour mark, so it's going to be about 6 videos that I'll post on YouTube. Um, yes, so now it is working, and we'll see how far I can get. We'll see what the highest score I can get, and we'll see that there is no more bugs, and that our game works. You cannot drag and hold, you have to click and hold. Um, and yeah, I'm not making it past this. So we got the score of 44, which is not terrible. Um, it's alright. So that will be the end of this video. Thanks for sticking around if you did for the debugging part. Um, that happens when you're creating a fairly large project like this. Um, we broke it up into 4 scripts and it looks pretty nice. If you have any questions or comments, just you can leave it in the YouTube comments or you can reach out to me at my school email. Um, yeah, bye.